Hello. So you had to find a 5-digit whole number. So let's write this down for now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we need a 5-digit whole number. So let's cross that out because we've done that part. It's a palindrome. That means that it's the same number going back and forth. One of its digits is an odd prime. So this means that it could be a 3, a 5, or a 7 because these are odd prime numbers. The product of its 100th digit and 20 is 64 greater than the square of its 100th digit. Okay, we'll keep that one in mind. Number 5, the product of its 1 digit and 14 is 48 greater than the square of its 1 digit. Okay, keep that in mind. Is divisible by 8. All right, keep that in mind. 3 of its digits are consecutive numbers. This just means that once you're getting close, it could be like 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, something like that. Okay. One of its digits is a square number. Okay. The only squares are either 1 squared or 4. Okay, because you can square root both of these. The sum of its digit is 26. Okay, we'll use that to check. And its 10,000 digit is 6. Okay, so boom, we got one of the digits, 6. Now, because it says that it's a palindrome, you know that this has to be a 6 as well. So of the 10 clues, 10 is done, 1 is done, and 2 is done. Now, from here, and we already solved the 1's digit, so this is done. Now, from here, the 100th digit, okay, so this one here, let's call this X for now. X. The 100th digit, so X, and it says its product, so 20X. 20X is 64 greater than the square of its 100th digit. Okay, so if you do 8, so X squared plus 64. All right, so to solve for X, you have to use factoring. So when you rearrange, you're going to have X squared minus 20X plus 64. So by using common factoring, so this is a whole nother lesson usually when you're learning about quadratics. When you solve this, you're going to get X minus 16 and X minus 4. This part here, X minus 4, it means that this number is going to be 4. You can also check it by if you plug it in. So if you plug it in, 20 times 4 is 80. So 80. 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 64 is 80. So even by guessing and checking, you can still get that this answer is 4. So okay, so now this one is done. Now it said that its digits are consecutive. So that must mean that it has to be 6, 5, 4, 5, or 4, 5, 6. So regardless, this is going to be a 5 here. Because it said it's a palindrome, you know that this has to be a 5. Now from here, let's do other checks. One of the digits is a square number. 4, done. The sum of its digits is 26. So 6 plus 5, 11, plus 4, 15, plus 5, 26, plus 6, 26. Okay, so that's done. 3 of its digits are consecutive numbers. Great. 4, 5, 6, or 6, 5, 4. Is divisible by 8. So let's see this. 65,456 divided by 8 gives us 8,182. Great. So that one is complete. And one of its digits, it is a prime factor, the 5. So therefore, our final answer is 65,456.